Hi, I'm Nicky, Behaviour Manager at Cats Protection, and this is Beryl, who's going to help me look at some typical feline behaviours. Today we're looking at drinking behaviour. Many owners wonder why their cats either do not appear to drink from their water bowl or show a preference for another water source such as a pond. Cats have very efficient kidneys, having evolved from a desert-dwelling species. However, they still need to always have fresh water available to them. One of the most common reasons for cats not to drink out of their water bowl is due to its location. Many people tend to put their cat's water bowl next to their cat's food bowl. We humans tend to eat and drink at the same time, so surely it would make sense for cats to do the same, right? It's easy to forget that cats are a completely different species with some very different needs. Cats would actually prefer to drink away from their food bowl. This goes back to African wildcat behaviour, with which our pet cats have shared ancestry. African wildcats eat and drink in different locations to avoid contaminating their water source with the gut contents of their prey. So it's all about hygiene, unsurprisingly for such a clean animal. With that in mind, ensure that water bowls and food bowls are placed away from each other and away from the litter tray. You could also consider moving the bowl away from the wall. A cat is in quite a vulnerable position when they have their head down to drink, so they may prefer to have the wall behind them and the room in front so they can see if anything's going to approach them. If you move the water bowl away from the wall and the cat continues to choose to face the wall, that's fine. It's important to give the cat choice. You may even find that if you have two cats, that one chooses to say face the wall, while the other is delighted to now be able to face the room. All cats are individuals after all. They should also be positioned in more private but accessible locations, away from a cat flap, glass patio doors, and high traffic areas like hallways. While most cats will happily drink out of all kinds of different bowls, some cats may be put off by plastic bowls. It is thought that perhaps the plastic can taint the taste of the water. If this is the case for your cat, then try a ceramic bowl. Cats generally prefer to have a wide, shallow bowl so their whiskers are not touching the sides. This is especially true if your cat is diabetic, as they can have extra sensitive whiskers. Some cats, like Beryl, prefer to drink from a water fountain rather than a bowl. Likewise, other cats find the chlorine found in tap water off-putting, and they may prefer to drink from filtered water, bottled water, or rainwater. You can try putting a large plant drip tray outside to collect rainwater. Remember to clean the tray regularly. Why not try putting these changes into place and see if your cat starts drinking more? It's all about finding out what works best for your cat. Oh, the things I do for you, Beryl. It's a good idea to monitor your cat's drinking habits and see if they change, as it can be a sign of a medical problem. Always consult your vet if you notice a change in their habits. I hope you found this interesting. Please check out our website, cats.org.uk/behaviour, for more detailed information about drinking behaviour and other feline behaviours. Bye!